What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a 2023 Acura Integra, okay? If your key fob looks like this and you drive another Acura, this is going to be the exact same thing. But our first step when replacing the battery in this is we're going to remove the key that's actually located inside of it. And you're going to end up pushing this button that's right on the front of it and pulling the key out. So we just push and the key will come right out. Once we have the key out, you're going to want to use a butter knife or a little bitty flathead screwdriver, and we're actually going to pry this back cover off, and it's going to expose the battery. So there's a little slot right here on the left that we're just going to pry on just a little bit, and I have this little bitty flathead screwdriver, and the cover will come right off, okay? And here is the battery right here. It's going to be a CR2032. I'll leave a link in the description box that takes you right to Amazon if you want to buy like a 5-pack of these. Make it nice and easy for you. But to remove it, we're going to pry from this part up here up top. It's actually the bottom of the remote, but I'm going to call it the top. And just pry it right out. And just pull it right out. Now if you look, just make sure when we go to put the new one in, that the positive is facing up. And it's kind of slotted right here on the top of the remote, but I'm going to call it the bottom because this is how we're handling it. It's going to go in first. All right. And then we're going to push and lock the battery in and just replace the cover. It just snaps all back together. Put the key back in and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. If you could, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.